Listen, I started selling digital products on Etsy a few months ago. Digital wall art with uplifting quotes, and I was so excited. I thought, this is it. I'm going to make passive income. This is going to work. And then, crickets. I made some sales, 29 to be exact, but nothing consistent. Nothing that felt like a real business. And I had to sit down and ask myself, what's not working here? Turns out I was in one of the most competitive niches on Etsy. I wasn't getting enough traffic. And honestly, I was doing everything manually and burning myself out. So I decided to change my approach. I started using AI tools to make this whole process easier and faster. And I also realized digital products aren't the only way to build a faceless business. Let me walk you through what I'm doing now. So here's what I learned the hard way. When I started, I picked digital wall art because it seemed easy. And it is easy to create, but so is everyone else creating it. If you search motivational wall art or uplifting quotes printable on Etsy, there are thousands of listings. I wasn't getting traffic because my products were getting buried. And even when people did see my stuff, I wasn't standing out. I also didn't have a strategy. I was just listing products and hoping people would find them. No real marketing, no social media presence, just me throwing stuff up on Etsy and waiting. That doesn't work. And on top of that, I was spending hours designing every single graphic, writing every description, trying to come up with new ideas. It was exhausting. So I stepped back and thought, there has to be a smarter way to do this. That's when I started actually using AI to help me. Here's what changed. First, I started using ChatGPT, not just for ideas, but for everything. Product descriptions, social media captions, even brainstorming what niches might be less saturated. Instead of spending an hour trying to write the perfect product description, I asked ChatGPT, write a compelling product description for a printable motivational wall art set focused on self-love. And it gives me something solid in seconds. I tweak it to sound like me, and I'm done. I also started using it to research. I'll ask, what are some underserved niches for digital products on Etsy? Or, what types of printables are people searching for but not finding enough of? And it helps me think more strategically instead of just guessing. Then there's Canva. I was already using it, but now I'm using it smarter. I create one template with my colors and style, then I duplicate it and batch create a whole collection in one sitting. Instead of designing one product at a time, I'm designing 10, 20 products at once. That's how you actually scale. And here's the thing, I'm not spending money on fancy tools. ChatGPT and Canva both have free versions. That's it. That's what I'm using. But honestly, the biggest shift wasn't just the tools. It was realizing that if digital products aren't working the way I want them to, I don't have to stay stuck there. There are other ways to build a faceless business using AI, and some of them might actually be easier or more profitable depending on your strengths. Real quick, if you're finding this helpful and you want to see more of my journey as I figure this stuff out, hit subscribe. I'm sharing what's actually working and what's not, and all the behind the scenes of building a faceless business. I don't want you to miss what's coming next. All right, let's keep going. So let me just share 3 faceless business ideas you can start with AI, including the one I'm doing right now. Number 1, start a faceless YouTube channel, like this one. You can use an AI host or AI twin, good for people who don't care to be on camera all the time, etc. Start a completely faceless brand, whether that be a digital product while having an avatar advertise the product or be the face of your brand. I mean, how dope is that? You have your own free digital model. The cool thing about this, you can be completely faceless. This is perfect for my introverts, moms, or whoever, to be honest. And I mean, you can literally talk about anything: productivity, finance, self-care, tech, business, whatever you're interested in. You just need to be consistent and provide value. And I know this takes time to grow, but it's one of the most powerful ways to build a unique brand. You can also build AI-generated content for businesses. Here's one a lot of people don't think about. You can use AI to create content for other businesses and get paid for it. Small businesses need social media captions, blog posts, email newsletters, product descriptions, and a lot of them don't have time to do it themselves. You can use ChatGPT to write that content, package it up, and sell it as a service. You're not showing your face, you're just delivering great content. You could charge $100, $200, $500 plus per month, depending on what you're providing. And once you have a few clients, that's consistent income. You can find clients on Upwork, Fiverr, or even by reaching out directly to small businesses on Instagram. You can start selling AI-generated digital products, but smarter. Okay, so I know I just said digital products weren't working great for me, but hear me out. I was doing it wrong. The mistake I made was going into a super saturated niche without a strategy. If you're going to sell digital products, you need to either pick a less competitive niche, build an audience first so you're not relying on marketplace traffic, or create something truly unique that stands out. For example, instead of generic motivational quotes, maybe you create niche-specific products like affirmation cards for new moms, or daily journal prompts for people in recovery. Or you use AI tools like Leonardo AI or Ideogram to create custom illustrations that don't look like everyone else's Canva templates. The point is, digital products can work, but you have to think differently about them. So here's where I'm at now. Look, I'm not saying I'm giving up on digital products, but I'm also not putting all my eggs in one basket. I'm building a faceless brand one day at a time. If you're interested in more videos like this, or me speaking about more faceless business ideas or digital products, join me on this journey for more ideas and tips. I'm learning what actually works, and I'm using AI to make the whole process faster and less overwhelming. You don't have to do what everyone else is doing. You can test different things. You can pivot. You can build something that actually fits your life. And remember to pace yourself. It's not a race. I want to encourage you and leave you with scripture. Please meditate on it and let me know which Bible verse is your favorite. Matthew 11:28-30. Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. In my next video, I'm going to walk you through more faceless business ideas you can start today, so look out for that video. Okay, take care. I'll see you in the next one.